everybody. Me again, Daryl. Guess what? Here's come a new episode of You Decide, I Draw. This time, I'll incorporate 3 different art style presentations. I'm so excited about how them will look like at the end. In my last episode, I got some comments and I can't your support. Appreciate it. But I also got some new ideas over there. There's a friend said, maybe anything from Ghost in the Shell would look great with your artwork. Bingo! I agree with you. I love Ghost in the Shell. And there's another comment. Since I drew the 8-ounce measure, then I couldn't forget about Song Zhaomei. The Soundbird? Why not? That sounds a good idea. And then, the third one, I want to watch you draw a Faaputa. Well, this is a character from Made in Abyss. That's going to be challenging because the art style is completely different with mine. Well, thanks for your ideas. Let's do it. And as you know, like, subscribe, and let me know what you expect me to draw in the comments.
Accordingly, let's go for Ghost in the Shell in the first. My plan was to draw a full figure of Kusanagi Motoko. I chose to use a sign pen to see if I can quickly find that a sense of manga book. Ah, damn. I finished the drawing, but there were so many black spaces left on this page. What can I do? Just draw another portrait of Battle? The thing is that plan cannot keep up with the changes. But anyway, I haven't had enough fun to draw it yet, so I will follow the trend. Okay, let's draw another portrait of Motoko. At least fill this page with all content. Next, it's Song Zhaomei's turn. This time, I need to learn from the previous lessons and draw a little bigger. A bigger drawing means more details. And I also switched to the brush pen. No reason, but I just wanted to change it. looks good. I used my own way and style to present her appearance. To be honest, I like my version more. Then, the next one, Faaputa. Honestly, this is a bit difficult, not because it's very complicated, but because it doesn't belong to my style at all. Well, it's not a problem. Nevertheless, I once loved watching this art style. I still have some bases. Take a look. It still looks decent. Alright, I guess the challenge was successful.
Alright, how about them? That's all for today. You decided I draw. I'm Daryl. I'll see you next time.